special delivery a couple of days ago from B2 Audio. What could possibly be in these boxes? Something kind of cool, I bet. Man, this thing's huge. Yep, you read correctly. That's a mock-up. And why would I have a mock-up Raven in the shop? Basically, it's an amp with no guts inside of it. I guess the short answer is I want white amplifiers in the Escalade. And B2 Audio does not have a white Raven. So I had them send me out an empty case, which happens to be black anodized. And I'm going to have it shot, powder-coated, white. I'm going to laser engrave the logo back into it over here at the shop. And then I'm going to send it back to them. And then they're going to put it all together for me, and then it's going to come back and go in the Escalade. So this should get really interesting. But for right now, let's take this steak knife, let's crack this thing open, and let's take a look at it. I'm not even sure what I'm up against. I might not even be able to do it. But let's see. Let's see what this thing looks like. The Raven. So for obvious reasons, I'm not going to ruin this box, but we'll set it aside for now. Well, it's a little bit ruined. Tape it back up. Yeah. Oh yeah. This thing's pretty damn heavy for not having any guts inside of it. Look at that, whole bunch of nothing. Alright, so now that I have this Raven mock-up in my possession, I can actually see what I want to do and get a little bit better visual. I'm probably going to have to fill this lettering in. It's been carved in with a CNC. So we'll body fill all that in. And we'll do some white powder coat on this. I may just stay on the top. I may come down a little bit. I might do the whole thing in white. I don't think a little bit of powder coating is going to hurt the heat dissipation at all on this. But we'll see where my ideas take me as I progress on this Escalade build. So as that 8-channel that I've been telling you guys about is being built, it's almost done. I guess I'm going to have to wait for it to get here and try to decide exactly how much white is gonna go on this amp. But regardless, I got it here, I can do it, and now you know the plan is to put a Raven in the Escalade alongside that 8-channel. And believe it or not, that 8-channel is gonna be almost as big as this thing, so it's gonna be kind of a challenge, but I'm up for it. We'll see what happens. This amp is over 3 feet long. Now, if you want to see me try to stuff this thing into my Escalade alongside another one that looks just like it, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and as soon as I have any updates, you know that I'm gonna come in here and show you guys. It's what I do. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching. I'm out. Oh man, I almost forgot about this box right here. What's in it? Well, it surely isn't an empty case. There's something real nice inside of this. We'll have to open this one next. Hit that subscribe button. Want to know what's in it? I'll show you.
Beat.